Alrighty, folks, so I'm right in the middle of doing one of our first cooking videos. Again, trying to find out what you guys want to see. And we've come up with this
challenge.
Not really a challenge, it's more of a disagreement. You know, we were on House Hunters International, and it was kind of like this as well. So I would definitely tell you guys to watch that episode. Sandra will try to put a link to that in the bottom. But our concern here is we're not getting enough subscribers. And
I was thinking that we're not going to get enough subscribers, period.
Yeah,
I'm a little more skeptical than he is. So I don't have that much faith in this deal. So
I'm a little more forward leaning, I would say. But I've been told when I was in the military, don't lean so far forward that you fall on your face. But I think we can get
1,000 subscribers.
1,000 subscribers.
In 30 days.
In 30 days. It's going to work.
No.
I think we can do it.
Okay.
Prove
me wrong.
I want 1,000, of course. I need 100. I got 58.
Yeah, fair enough.
Okay. And if we can get that 100, we can get a permanent
It's
URL,
like
right?
Yeah, it's like a custom-made URL
from YouTube, and we can link that.
So that would be sufficient.
And that will help us grow from there.
I am more skeptical.
Okay.
So let's make me prove me wrong. Prove me wrong with this challenge.
Prove me right. If it can happen to anyone, it can happen to anyone, and I am anyone, I think.
Right.
So help us out.
So challenge
Spread
out.
the word.
Yeah.
The challenge is out. Please help me out. Let me know. Like our videos. Leave a comment. But yes, we're trying this. So this is going to be our, what are we going to call this? The YouTube challenge? The Schimvo YouTube challenge.
30-day challenge, yes.
The Schimvo YouTube, and again, you can see this is all spontaneous. This is right here going on right now. You know, we're not professional YouTubers.
No.
We are not professional bloggers or anything like that. So this is us trying other things. So we're counting on you guys to help us out. So if one person can pass it on to the next person after they like, share, and subscribe, then maybe the next person can do the same thing, and I'll win the bet.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so
Don't think so though.
if you guys are interested in what the bet is, then
No,
let me know.
Don't say that.
I'm going to say that.
Finish
I am
that.
going to say that.
No. Finish
The
that.
bet is the bet. Is the bet. So thank you very much, and subscribe, like, and leave a comment, please. And remember, Schimvoadventures, we will make the mistakes for you guys. So subscribe.